I guess this is Dish Network error code 855 part 2. Rick Porter, this is for you. I was reading your thing and I thought I made a second video to this and I didn't, so I will make another one. No matter what this receiver says, there's nothing wrong with your hard drive. That's what do they call it? That's a default code for Dish. What you need to do is get the get the what the hell is that called? The insurance thing that Dish has. I can't remember what it's called. It's like $3 a month. Get it before you say anything. Take and get it, and then call them up. Tell them there's something wrong with the USB on your receiver. Don't say nothing about the damn hard drive. And don't say nothing about the damn error code either. Because they'll tell you to stick it up your ass pretty much. So what you do is, you get that, and you tell them the USB ports quit working, and you can't access your hard drive. What they'll do, they'll send you out another receiver. That second receiver should be alright. I've went through 7 fucking receivers. And I just now can look at my second hard drive that I made the video on in the first place. But something happened and Dish sent a code out and it booted that damn hard drive to where I couldn't see it on either one of my receivers. I had to take a backup receiver that I've had for 8 years, the 722, and I can see that off of that one. So I had my backup. So like I said, take and get that thing. It covers the wires and everything outside and what have you for their stuff, and it also covers your receiver if you're not leasing it. So that way, just keep doing it. Fuck them. They won't fix the error code to where you can see your stuff with it. So keep aggravating the hell out of them over the receivers. Each time it does it, tell them you want another one. But do not erase your hard drive. I did that. I did it a couple of times and I sent it back. And then the company that made the hard drive told me I was stupid because there wasn't nothing wrong with it. And that's when I did a lot more research and I started messing around and playing with other things. And that's when I pulled out my 722 DVR that's from Dish. And it worked fine. So that went to show me, and then I got into an argument with a supervisor over it too. They swore them down that it was an error code, that it was my hard drive. I'm not computer stupid. I've been doing this for almost 15 years. Messing with damn Dish and these hard drives. So I know what their scams are and what they ain't. But that is the best way to do it, is just to keep doing those receivers. And you're going to find one out of however many receivers you go through, you're going to find one that you won't have a problem. But what you also need to do with these receivers is at night, unplug the external hard drive from the receiver. Because that's what started all this with my problem. Is because I left it plugged in and I had a storm one night. And then everything started acting stupid on the one hard drive. So now the second one is fine. So I don't know what the hell happened there, but that's how you solve that problem. Let me pull this out here. I don't know. Oh, hold on. God damn it. Fuck hard. So then it goes back to, like I said, this is mainly for Rick Porter, but this is for everybody that's having the same problem he had. And I see that I missed Jerry or Jenny Berry's thing too, and I'm sorry about that, but it didn't show up. So Dish's engineers, fucking idiots. Spoke with, see. Who know when that will be? I can't appreciate your problem. Yeah, I'm rereading it. he's got a problem with the it locked up. Just tell Dish to stick it up their fucking ass and get you another receiver. Simple. I know it sounds video's kind of fucked up, but that's what I had to do. I wish I had a video to all 7 DVRs that I had sitting on my entertainment system. That I got one back to back to back to back to back. It took me 3 months to get all 7 of them. And I kept all 7 of them to prove a point. Now I'm down to 2. But now I can access everything. I can't move nothing from my receivers to the second hard drive because whatever the issue is, and right now I don't feel like calling and going through and moving shit. Right now I can read it, and that's all I care about at the moment. And it seems to be anything that's over a 2 terabit hard drive, it boots the system out. And it's a specific type of hard drive too. I don't know what kind, because they keep saying it's any of them that you can use, and it's not. The best ones that I found that's worked has been HD. Or not HD, Western Digital. The notebooks. And I've had it for 10 years. And they've been the best ones that work. But anything over 2 terabit, the system doesn't want to read it once something happens to it. And it's usually the receiver's fault. But, Porter, I hope that helps you. If not, just message me and I'll tell you something else. But as far as I know, that's the only way to fix the problem that you're having. You're going to have to make them send you another receiver. And then you should be fine after that. If it does it again, do it again. Because 3 years of stuff is